So gene editing is a relatively new field, and it's really exciting because it allows us to specifically change DNA in really precise locations. We can replace, add, or insert components into DNA to have a change on how plants, animals, humans behave. Gene editing has big implications on reducing hunger. We can make crop more resistant to climate change, we can increase the nutritional value, and we can make crop more resistant to pests as well. It also has implications in healthcare and well-being. It's being used in research to understand how diseases progress. It's being used in clinical trials to treat rare diseases and cancers. And there are also a few products now on the market that have the potential to cure diseases, not just manage the symptoms. So particularly in healthcare, because this is a new field, we don't have enough information on the long-term safety and efficacy of these types of treatment. So that data needs to be collected by the organisations that are treating patients. We also don't know how this change in genetic code is passed on through generations, and how effective this treatment is at scale. Once we have more products on the market and organisations are working together to collect the data, gene editing will really be able to fulfil its full potential. Governments play a key role in this. We need to define the regulation, both in the agriculture and the healthcare space, and how we make sure the regulations keep up to speed with quite a fast-moving field is a real challenge that we need to overcome to make sure these technologies are implemented in the field. Organisations and governments need to work together to understand the reimbursement strategies of medical treatments. These are really costly, and therefore not all patients have access to them at the moment. By working together, we should be able to ensure that all patients who need treatment have access to potentially life-changing gene editing therapies. Gene editing of crop could play a massive role in food security, and there's a need for governments, organisations and the media to work together and manage public perception so consumers aren't avoiding these types of products. Gene editing in agriculture could open up a world of possibilities in making allergy-free foods. Gene editing technologies have recently been used to treat things like spinal muscular atrophy, and this really gives the opportunity for children to lead almost normal lives where they wouldn't normally reach adulthood. Gene editing is a relatively new field. It's made its way from research to products on the market really quickly. It really has massive potential to change the way we grow our food and the way we treat disease.